boy. That girl with the bear. I know what you have to check out. Come on, my mommy. Let's check out. Give me my phone. The pig phone. The pig one. Please.
I don't have it. I don't know where it is. We'll find it. Don't worry.
Oh, come on. Find my pig phone.
Sophie, what are you doing today? Can you tell me?
I have to find out that girl with the bear.
Where are we?
I have to.